Hi, and welcome to this beautiful body scan meditation. Find a comfortable position. Make sure you won't be disturbed for a few minutes. Gently close your eyes. Make any adjustments needed. And just start to take some really nice, deep breaths. Breathing in and out through your nose and coming into this present moment. And with your next exhale, just start feeling the weight of your body. Start noticing the points of contact with your feet or your body against the floor. With your hands, arms, and legs resting. Becoming aware of any sounds and bringing your mind to your physical senses. Settling into the space around you. Bringing your awareness closer into your body as you scan from head to toe. Taking note of any areas that feel comfortable or uncomfortable. Just noticing your feelings. Noticing if you're in a certain mood at this moment. Gently shifting your focus to the rise and fall of your belly. Becoming increasingly comfortable, following the natural rhythm of your breath. I'd like you to notice now, with your imagination, a steady flow from above your head. A flow of liquid light, like sunlight. It's very smooth, very warm, and very bright. It flows down through the top of your head, into your body, and travels all the way down. And now filling up your body with this warm and beautiful light. And noticing how it melts away any tension. Follow it as it travels down through your body, sliding ever so gently down towards your feet. And just feeling it as it fills up the toes one at a time. Acknowledging each toe as it goes through. Breathing slowly and letting it travel up your feet, your heels, your ankles. This light continues upwards towards the knees with every breath. And melts away any tension. Focusing on the brightness, the warmth, and the spaciousness. As it slowly flows up your upper legs, your thighs, your hips, and the pelvic area. Feeling the steady flow coming into your body and just melting away all the tension from your day. It continues up through the trunk of your body, now your belly and your lower back. Up towards the diaphragm, melting away any tension. It continues to slowly flow up through your chest and the area of your upper back, all the way up to the top of your shoulders. Flows down both of the arms, the elbows, and the hands, filling up one finger at a time. The front of the hands, the back of the hands, and the wrists. Feeling it fill upwards towards the elbows and the shoulders, melting away all the tension. Traveling now up through the neck and the throat area, up through the head, and all the tiny muscles in your face until it gets to the very top of your body. Now gently letting go of any focus for a moment and allowing your mind to gently rest in this space that you've created. Bringing the attention back into the body again. Feeling the weight of your body. The physical points of contact. Noticing the sounds around you. Bringing yourself back into this space and time. Slowly bringing your hands together at heart center in prayer. Gently bowing your head in gratitude for these few minutes. Namaste.